Welcome to a new era in vehicle diagnostics. Today, we're going to show you how to effortlessly scan a Mazda vehicle using the game-changing DAS723 PRO ULTRA. Let's see how this game-changing tool can simplify scanning a Mazda vehicle and solve common diagnostics issues. Ready to experience the future of auto diagnostics? Watch as the DAS723 PRO ULTRA smartly identifies your Mazda's make and model. Begin the scan with a single tap. Instantly, the DAS723 PRO ULTRA communicates with your Mazda's onboard systems, providing you with real-time diagnostics. Access the fault codes with just a few taps. Instantly, you have access to a comprehensive list of fault codes affecting your vehicle. Clear the fault codes with a single tap. Effortlessly, the DAS723 PRO ULTRA communicates with your vehicle's systems, eliminating those fault codes. Efficiency and precision at its finest. The DAS723 PRO ULTRA, your trusted partner for clearing fault codes. Whether you're running a busy garage or focused on vehicle maintenance, the DAS723 PRO ULTRA is the tool that simplifies diagnostics and keeps your customers happy.